Blog Real-Time Flight Management System for Unmanned Aircraft Systems, UAS, Drones and UAM, Air Taxis.
Hey there, aviation enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into a game-changing technology that's revolutionizing the skies, the Real-Time Flight Management System, FMS, for unmanned aircraft systems, or UAS drones and urban air mobility vehicles, like air taxis. As these autonomous vehicles become more integral to our daily lives, delivering packages, surveying infrastructure, or ferrying passengers across cities, the need for sophisticated real-time FMS has never been greater. So what makes these systems so essential? First off, the real-time FMS acts as the brain of these aerial systems, ensuring safe navigation, optimal route planning, and continuous flight monitoring. Imagine a drone navigating a busy city. The FMS constantly computes the best possible path, considering airspace restrictions, weather conditions, and obstacles, ensuring the drone stays on the safest and most efficient route. But that's just the beginning. Real-time FMS also tackles traffic management and collision avoidance. With airspace getting crowded, these systems predict potential conflicts and adjust flight paths to avoid collisions, leveraging tech like radar, LiDAR, and ADS-B to maintain situational awareness. Weather conditions? No problem. A robust FMS adapts in real time, recalculating flight paths to dodge turbulence and strong winds using data from weather stations, satellites, and onboard sensors. For electric UAVs and air taxis, battery and energy management is crucial. The FMS tracks battery levels, energy consumption, and estimated flight time, ensuring vehicles land safely before the battery depletes. Communication is key. FMS facilitates real-time communication between the UAS, ground control, other aircraft and air traffic management systems, ensuring seamless coordination and regulatory compliance. And let's not forget about integration with urban air mobility networks. The FMS can manage landing pads, VTOL sites and connections to ground transport, optimizing routes and coordinating traffic for air taxis. So there you have it. Real-time flight management systems are the backbone of our future in autonomous aviation. Hey tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into something straight out of a sci-fi movie, Real-Time Flight Management Systems, or FMS, for urban air mobility. Imagine air taxis zooming above congested streets, cutting down your commute times and offering a greener alternative to traditional transport. Sounds exciting, right? Well, let's get into it. At the core of these futuristic vehicles is the Real-Time Flight Management System. This tech marvel ensures air taxis operate smoothly in our busy urban skies. FMS is like the brain of the air taxi, handling everything from avoiding collisions with drones and other aircraft to navigating no-fly zones and restricted airspace. But there's more. FMS also coordinates routes to vertiports, those fancy takeoff and landing pads, making sure the air taxis don't overfly crowded areas. And for those of you worried about safety and comfort, FMS has got you covered. It optimizes flight routes and handles emergencies like a pro. Now, if you're thinking about the logistics, FMS plays a crucial role in fleet management. It schedules and maintains vehicles, ensuring efficient dispatch and timely maintenance. Plus, it keeps air taxis in line with aviation regulations, sharing real-time data with authorities for smooth, compliant flights. Integrating these systems isn't a walk in the park. From ensuring different manufacturers' tech works together to combating cybersecurity threats, the challenges are real. But with advancements in AI, 5G and IoT, these hurdles are becoming manageable. Looking ahead, the future of FMS is incredibly promising. As urban air mobility expands, so will the demand for sophisticated real-time flight management. Picture a world where air taxis and drones are a common sight, seamlessly integrated into our daily lives. So, the real-time flight management system isn't just a tool, it's the backbone of the future of aviation. As we embrace this new era, FMS will ensure our skies are safe, efficient and connected. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the future of urban air mobility, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights.